Everyone, welcome to Sir Institute. One of the most interesting activity, debate activity. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Debate, the most effective activity for communication skill. Sometimes we know English, but we cannot express English, right? And communication is a learnable skill. It's very important part of our life. So our debate topic is: should we study in India? This team is going to support India. And should we study in abroad? Means you are going to support abroad. See, there are two options. Every time when students complete their education in schooling, they want to do something extraordinary education. So we will be having this debate. So first, I would like to ask Twisha, what's your opinion about this?
According to me, I think studying abroad is a much better option because there are several points included which will be which are
Beneficial. You want to say you are going to support abroad. So you want to go abroad. If I give you a choice, what will be your choice?
abroad.
Sure, your choice.
Yeah, I am supporting for abroad, and I am right now also studying abroad, so I will support abroad.
Okay, your option.
Support abroad.
Okay, done. So now question is why? Why should we study in India, and why should we? You have to give points on that thing, and we will encounter the people. So we'll be having a very good communication skill. And most beautiful thing about this debate is nothing is pre-decided, nothing is scripted. We have to speak without script. Okay, why in India?
Because India is second largest education system higher in world. So and there are 501 universities in India, and there are like wide culture is there, and you can explore more than abroad also.
Same. Why India?
India has various types of opportunities. So why should we go to the abroad studying that course which is providing Indian universities? Yes.
Means there is also good opportunity. You want to say like that,
Yeah.
Mr. Meet, your opinion?
Because we are boosting someone's economy, we should boost our country's economy by
Wow.
giving our wealth to our country and studying here and being success from here only, from not somewhere else country.
Oh, nice point.
We are born here.
I mean, you want to say that India is my motherland,
Yeah.
and I want to make it Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes.
Why should we boost others' economy? This is a very big encounter. So first of all, you have to reply this question. This is a question of India, right? Would you like to answer?
Yes. So as my friend already told that we should boost the economy, but as per my point of view, first of all, each and every individual should boost themselves, right? They should do better themselves than think about the country. Because if they are better in that field, then only they will, boost the economy, and they will help India to move further. And it is only possible by gaining good education, right? For example, you are learning over here and you are learning abroad, then there is a vast difference. So as per my point of view, the universities over there are much more better than in India. So we should, study abroad and grab the education from there. You should come over here and do business and then boost the economy, not by just studying over here.
Means you want to say that we should get updated from the other countries, and that technology and everything should be implemented in our country. So what happened that we are doing for India, same. But his question is very good, that you are paying lakhs of rupees, crores of rupees. Abroad education, we have to pay a lot of money. We have to pay in dollars and pounds. So it is compared to India, it is very expensive. One economic question is there. So what do you think about these expensive things? I would like to ask first Mr. Shivang, then you.
Okay. If you learn a foreign language like Germany at a level 3, you will definitely get a free of education. So on a PhD and master level. So it's not necessary for each and every country because Germany also known as automobile hub. So I think this mentality is some partially wrong actually.
Okay, means you want to say that we can study in the same fees like India in Germany, like maybe even free if you know the language.
Yes.
Fine. So Germany is one option. And what's your opinion about this?
Yeah, as you already told that studying abroad is much more costlier, right? but we are only thinking about the cost, right? We are not thinking about the result. That after you are completing your degree from abroad, you will get more job opportunities, right? And you will get more salary than you are in India. Means if you are got the degree from here, and if you are getting a degree from, so you will get more paid, so all your fees will be covered when you are getting paid. So it is the same thing, but over there you are getting more flexible education and more high quality education than in India.
Okay, means you want to say there is a difference between education system in India and as well as in abroad. So Twisha will say something education system.
Sorry?
Education system, what do you think about this thing? Is there difference?
Yeah, there is a huge difference. For example, in foreign universities, the education system is practical based,
Okay.
and not theory based like in India. So you are from the school level only, they are taught that
You want to
the
say
practical.
traditional education, that Maghreb system is there in India.
Yes.
Okay.
So there's rote learning in India. But in foreign universities, you are judged on judged on your skill and not on how good your memory is.
Means you want to say there is no mark sheet value, but value of your skill, your
Yeah.
presentation, your communication skills,
Yes.
and as well as you can develop your own personality over there.
Yes.
Okay, so here is a very beautiful question: method and theory. So we want to go for this also. What is your opinion about education system in India?
Education system in India is also good, like AIMS and IITs. If you are graduated from there, so you will be also getting paid higher, and you can.
So there is a very
without wasting much money. If you got selected in IIT and AIMS, you not need to pay more money, and after all that, you will getting paid by lakhs and crores.
As you know very well that many Fortune 500 companies like Facebook and Google and Amazons and many companies are coming to India for IITians. They select the IITians, Flipkart. These companies are coming to India for their talent. Means there is a brain in India also. People think like that. And IIT fee is comparatively quite less than this foreign education. So you want to say AIMS and IIT is good. What is your opinion on education system?
First of all, I would like to speak about personality development. So there are various type of cultural events, and you get many chances in colleges to perform on stage. So by that you can develop your personality. And speaking of education, so there are many types of colleges like ISI, which provides the course particularly to the who want to do research in the particular subject. Like if I give you example, ISI teach you ISI teaches you it teaches you in the mathematics field, so that in the future you can do research. It is not like the course which is provided in the foreign. Yes.
One question is there. I want to tell you one thing. We Indians have one ability, no doubt. But sometimes we always criticize India. One song is there. जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने जीरो दिया. तो कुछ लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि भारत ने जीरो दिया और खुद जीरो बन गया. But one thing is important, that there are good institutes and we can study more, and IIM is there also.
Yes.
So IIT, IIM and AIMS, these are the three things that people come to study in from abroad also. Okay, so Mr. Meet, what's your opinion about this thing, education system?
So he told that we don't do practical thing in India, but I know many universities, like I am going in one, which is more practical than the theory based, because they don't believe in homeworks and all. They believe is what is your capability. So I had got my admission before my result was out. So
can you please tell me that which college is there and why you join only
in
Indian?
Bangalore is Jain, Christ, New Horizon, and many others like Riva. One more is RV Engineering. We have many. Then we have MS Ramaya. They all were giving admissions before the result came out, because they know they were all judging you on the capability you have, not on the
They don't
result
believe
and
in
all.
mark sheet.
Yeah,
They believe
and
in
also
your co-curricular
if you know
activities.
VITs is
yeah.
one of good. It was going before result too.
Okay.
They had your exam. You have to pass
There
that,
is
and you
entrance
are SRM. Chennai.
SRM is there, yeah, Chennai.
All were giving. So it is not true that we don't do practical now. They are all are having practical labs and all. Means you can search and see mechanical labs, all computer labs and all, because they know how they want to. And
But,
also,
sorry to disturb you. One thing is that figures say that many students from highly talented education institutes, they move abroad. Mostly this happens. So Canada, USA and UK are most favorite place for the students. Those who are interested in something like education with something, their new country is there, new system is there, and international students are there. See, China and India are biggest market for these people. So why Chinese people also go there, and why Indian people go there? So if our education system is best, then why Chinese people don't come to India?
sir, China have their own education and they have their own rules. Because I know till that according to my information, they have also a rule of military. Means every boy who has to go to military for some years, so they don't get that opportunity too, because they all have to do is just work like a worker only. Less of them are entrepreneurs, because we know less of them who know as a businessman.
Nice.
Because there is a rule of Chinese government.
Yeah, there is a different system.
Yeah.
But even though they are very well settled in abroad education, that is in USA is the highest country which is getting Chinese students. India, 2 lakh students every year study over there. So why this happens not with India? If you want to boost Indian economy, then we must think about this economy, that entire country people come to India and they boost our country.
It is, sir, because here we don't have that much job opportunities, because just now we are in developing nation. So in soon we will be having, but just now we are not getting the value. It means the person who has a degree doesn't get the value he has expected. Because someone who has an IIT degree, he would expect some salary like
Ultimately, what is the target? They want a big opportunity in future. This is very important thing. What is your opinion about Mr.?
Yeah,
about this
first of all, we were talking about the IITs and IIMs, right? So for that, I would like to say that from all over the India, there is only IIT and IIM which are more preferred, right? Which are more valuable degrees, right? But if you go in abroad, then there are more than 1,000 universities which are best at the best, right? So they are at the top level.
Better than this,
at the top level, right? So and if you are in India, right, and if you are aiming at IIM and IIT, then obviously all people can't go in IIM and IIT, right? For them, the education system in abroad is better than going in other universities of India. And the next thing is you told that Chinese people, right? The education over here is better, but I would like to say that in my university, in Brunel University, more than 60% of the students are Chinese. Right, so there is something in that education that is grabbing the students from different countries and leaving their personal countries and coming in other countries and not in India. So the one thing is that flexibility, right? So each and every course, whatever you want to study, is available in abroad and not in India, right? There is restriction of courses in India, whereas in abroad there are no restriction of the course and there is flexible learning. The next thing I like the most that is in abroad is that there is job opportunities and you can do part-time job, right, and through which you can grab more experience, right? For example, you are over here, then no one is doing part-time job right now, but in abroad each and every individual, whether he is earning crores of rupees or whether he is earning lakhs of rupees, he or she will obviously do part-time job to grab the experience. So that is the thing that is attracting different people from different countries to
earning
that
and learning
country.
both are running simultaneously. You
Yeah,
want to say like that.
and they are also getting the experience of different cultures, right? Because in India, all the people in the universities are Indians, but in abroad, right, from all over the world, different people are coming from different countries. So you can grab different experience, or you
Exposure,
you can grab exposure and culture also. You can say different.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful point from you, Samil. I like your point, but one thing is that every coin has bright side and dark side. Every time. It is not so easy. As per my experience regarding my institute, SIR Institute has been running for the last 28 years. I have seen many students go to abroad for study. Parents think that my son, my daughter will be a very successful personality over there. But sometimes there are some distraction, like drugs and like racism. These are the points. These are the points over there, racism, and these are the points. Sometimes this happens, and they fall in bad habits like that. So what do you think about racism and these points? Is it possible?
Yes, sir, it is on us. Means if we, because we have many students here who go for study, but sometimes we may divert because there are more about there are more crime rates than us also.
Okay.
In America, especially if we say they have more crime rate than us, and also
Gun
they have
culture.
more
You want to say gun
drug,
culture is there.
yeah,
Every
and also
home there is a gun.
gun and drug culture too, because
So
they have too
you
much.
think that some students are in a young age, they spoil their life.
It is possible.
It is possible. Okay.
It's
Right. Please.
Yeah, as you we are talking about the drugs, right? So it is not the same thing that it is only in abroad, right? If you go in Marwadi University right now, then any of the universities, then all the things are available, right?
Any Indian university.
Any Indian universities, then all the things are available. And
Wait. एक ब्रेक ले ले भाई ऊपर है ब्रेक ले अल्लाह नाम नो दे भाई ऊपर है वो कहाँ चढ़ी